Hi, welcome to the Quantity Surveying Studio. Hope all the videos that is being uploaded into this channel is being useful. Hope it is being beneficial in your work life. So please subscribe to Quantity Surveying Studio if you have not yet subscribed, and do like the videos, do put your comments so that it can be helpful for me to upload better contents. So one of the most important qualities or traits of a quantity surveyor is to have a proper documentation of your all work related documents, be it the soft copies or the hard copies. If it is a soft copy, it is always better to prepare different folders, name it properly, and put it under each main folder. And with regards to the hard copies, maintain different files for each document and label them properly. So now in this video, I'll be giving you a tip on how you can maintain the soft copies, the proper documentation of your soft copies in your PC or your laptop. It is a very simple process. If you follow it, then your work life is going to be more easy, it is going to be more relaxed, and you will have easy access to all your documents. So don't forget to watch this video till the end, and let's move into the video. Now if you see in my laptop, I have made a folder called work documents. If I click into it, you can see two folders called post-contract projects and pre-contract projects. If you are a QS, you might be into post-contract, you might be into pre-contract. Sometimes you will be handling both. So accordingly, you can prepare the documents. So under post-contract projects, I have mentioned all the project names. Here I have put as project A and B. And if you click project A, you can see the different documents I have prepared with regards to the post-contract activities that a QS will be doing. There are claims, contract documents, correspondences, cost reports, day works, payment applications, certifications, subcontractors management, supplier management, variations. So if you click each, there are different folders I have made. If it is certifications, different IPAs, numbers. Then if it is the contract documents, the different contract document folders. And if it is subcontractors, the names of the different subcontractors. Then again payment applications, the different payment applications that you are preparing. So like that, I have maintained different documents. This is for project A. Similarly for project B, same documents. Now for pre-contract projects, again name the projects which you are handling. I have put as project C and D. So here under this folder, it will be mainly the pre-contract works or responsibilities that you will be handling. So mainly the correspondences, final submissions, the measurement takeoff sheets that you are preparing, the query sheets that you are sending it to the client, different quotations that you get for rate analysis, tender documents, the working drawings, the marked drawings for your measurement sheets. So again, under each folder, you can see correspondences, the incoming and outgoing ones. Then the tender documents are different documents that you get for your tendering works. So the first thing that you need to do is to arrange all these documents accordingly. So once you have arranged all your folders properly, you can make an Excel sheet like this, where you have two tabs, post-contract, pre-contract, and mention the project names. And here what I've done is prepared hyperlinks to each folders. So if you are doing project A currently and your project manager asks you to get information about some cost reports, you just need to click on cost reports and the folder will be opened where you have all the cost reports. If again you need to check on some outgoing correspondences, just click on outgoing. Then you will have the outgoing folder. Here I have not put anything. You will have all the letters, all the outgoing letters that you have sent to the client or the consultant. So the basic purpose of this sheet is to get quick access to all your folders so that there will not be any confusion. Once you prepare some documents, you can easily access it through this sheet. And the different levels to which this sheet can be prepared depends according to you. I would prefer that the basic folders be included here. So something for like the correspondences, you can mention the next level like incoming or outgoing. Otherwise, by just mentioning the main folder, you can access that folder and the details inside that folder. Otherwise, what happens is that you will need to go to the folder, you have to remember where you have put that file into which folder, you might forget. So this is the main purpose of doing this hyperlink. So how you can prepare this hyperlink is very easy. So I'll show you how you can prepare. So for example, if you need to prepare the hyperlink of project B claims, just go to that folder. See, click here, control copy it, go to your Excel sheet, right click on hyperlink. You'll be asked the address, whatever you had copied, paste it here. Then it will be asked whether what needs to be displayed for this address. So since it is claims, we can give the name claims and then click OK. So here your hyperlink is created. So that is very easy. So if you're maintaining this Excel with proper hyperlinking, your work will become easier. You can have quick access, easy access to all your files. So hope this small informative video was useful. So as a quantity surveyor, try to maintain this sheet today itself so that you can have a easy work life. You can have a proper documentation of your works, get all your files, prepare the right folders, put it in the right folders, and then hyperlink all these folders into your Excel sheet. So you can see the changes in your work life. You will be more relaxed, and whenever any documents are being asked by your line managers, your project managers, you can easily provide it to them with this sheet. So please share this video with your friends if you liked it. Keep watching the videos being uploaded in Quantity Surveying Studio. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.